Hi, I'm Amy Lewis with PopUpTechTalks. I'm here with Steven. Can you introduce yourself to the two people who don't know who you are?
Oh, thank you very much, Amy. It's good to be here. I'm Steven Foskett. I'm the organizer of the Tech Field Day events that a lot of people have seen, and we also run a tech news site called GestaltIT.com.
Excellent. So you had the opportunity to talk to so many people. What do you think the energy, the conversations you've been hearing around Docker here at DockerCon? Look into the crystal ball. What do you see in our future, our tech future?
Well, this is, that's what this is all about, is the energy of the community, and that's really the thing that Docker has done pretty well, is get the community excited and get the community here and get the community interested. And it's interesting. Yesterday, somebody said that last year it was mostly people in T-shirts, and this year there's a lot of people in jackets, and they're saying the jackets, that must be where the money is. And that's really the theme of the keynotes as well. So basically, on Tuesday, the keynote was all about, DevOps and coding and, making things easier on the developers. And today, the keynote was all about, hey, look, Visa and Wells Fargo are using Docker in production. And I think that's really the message that Docker wanted to send, and it is coming through.
I love this concept of when the suits show up, the money's arrived. Do you think because it's Texas, the bigger the hat, the larger the opportunity?
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, the more expensive hat, bigger belt buckle, nicer boots, totally.
So what do you think this means for the rest of technology? Again, I know we're in a little bit of a bubble. I think there's so much energy here. Like you said, you can tell that we're on the cusp of something and it's becoming real, if you will, when the money shows up. Yep. What do you think this means for the industry at large?
Yeah, and I think that's the core question is this really the next big thing, or is this more a bubble that's going to burst? And Docker obviously is working very hard to make this the next big thing. They're trying to, move into the enterprise. They've gone from having, the Docker being more of a developer thing to being, the enterprise edition and the data center version, and they've got the enterprise app store, and now they've got Oracle running on Docker, which I might point out, Oracle still won't let you run on a virtual machine, but now they let you run in a container. Whoa, that's a big coup for Docker. And so I think that that's the direction that Docker is trying to go. The challenge is that, like all companies, Docker is kind of eating their own ecosystem. They, keep expanding and keep kind of pushing, partners out of the way, and we'll see, how that works for them. If they can kind of parlay this whole situation into, industry dominance, or if they can end up roadkill.
Wow.
Whale roadkill. Yeah, that's a big roadkill.
I thought there was an armadillo joke in there, but I guess it's all about the whales. Thank you so much for your time.
Yeah, it's great to see you. I'm glad that we could be here, and it's always cool to run into the fine pop-up tech talk NetApp people here.
Thank you. We'll see you next time on Pop Up Tech Talks.